In this video tutorial, you will learn how to enable and disable secure boot for any Asus laptop. In the search bar in Windows, you need to type reset and then select advanced startup. There is also another way to enter BIOS configuration settings by keep pressing the F2 key when you power on your laptop. Select troubleshoot. Now advanced options. Now Uefi firmware settings. Select that and restart. I have entered BIOS. Your BIOS firmware might look different, but it's similar process. So this is what you need to do. You need to go to security. Once you have selected security, you will see secure boot. So select that. And then from here, you can enable and disable secure boot, just like this. With the arrow key on your keyboard, you can enable and disable the settings. And then escape here, press enter, and then save the settings. So guys, don't stop here. Keep watching the video for the next step for verification process. So I'm just waiting for the process to restart in Windows. So in the search bar in Windows, you need to type in msinfo32 and then tap enter. It will be system information, by the way. It's just a short abbreviation for it. So select system information. As you scroll down or look down, you will see secure boot state is on. So this is Windows verification that is enabled. Right guys, I hope this video has helped you. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you on the next one. Thank you very much for watching, and also please check out my other videos.